Hello and welcome back to Banana Life. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of mindfulness practices. In our fast-paced, constantly connected world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed. Mindfulness offers a powerful way to center ourselves, reduce stress, and enhance our overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of mindfulness practices, how they can improve your mental and physical health, and provide some practical tips for incorporating mindfulness into your daily life. So, let's embark on this journey toward greater awareness and inner peace. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It involves being fully aware of your thoughts, feelings, sensations, and surroundings, allowing you to experience each moment as it unfolds. While mindfulness has its roots in ancient meditation practices, it has gained significant attention in recent years due to its numerous benefits for mental, emotional, and physical health. One of the most well-known benefits of mindfulness practices is their ability to reduce stress. In our modern world, stress is a common experience, and it can have a significant impact on our well-being. Mindfulness helps us become more aware of our stressors and how we react to them, allowing us to respond more calmly and effectively. By practicing mindfulness regularly, we can learn to let go of stress and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Mindfulness practices have also been shown to improve emotional regulation and resilience. By observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment, we can gain a greater understanding of our emotions and how they influence our behavior. This awareness allows us to respond to challenging situations with greater clarity and compassion, reducing the likelihood of being overwhelmed by negative emotions. Over time, mindfulness can help us build emotional resilience, enabling us to bounce back from setbacks and navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Another significant benefit of mindfulness practices is their impact on mental health. Research has shown that mindfulness can be an effective tool for reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. By focusing on the present moment, we can break free from the cycle of rumination and worry that often accompanies these conditions. Mindfulness encourages a more balanced perspective, helping us develop a greater sense of acceptance and self-compassion. Additionally, mindfulness practices have been found to enhance overall well-being, leading to greater life satisfaction and happiness. Mindfulness also has a profound effect on our ability to focus and concentrate. In our multitasking world, it can be challenging to maintain our attention on a single task. Mindfulness helps us cultivate a state of focused awareness, allowing us to concentrate more effectively on the task at hand. By practicing mindfulness regularly, we can improve our ability to sustain attention, enhance our productivity, and make better decisions. In addition to its mental health benefits, mindfulness practices can positively impact our physical health. Research has shown that mindfulness can reduce symptoms of chronic pain, improve sleep quality, and enhance immune function. By fostering a greater awareness of our body and its needs, mindfulness encourages us to take better care of ourselves and make healthier choices. This holistic approach to well-being can lead to improved physical health and a greater sense of vitality. Mindfulness practices are also known to enhance our relationships with others. By becoming more present and attentive, we can improve our communication skills and develop a greater sense of empathy and compassion. Mindfulness encourages us to listen deeply and respond thoughtfully, fostering more meaningful and authentic connections with others. This can lead to stronger relationships and a greater sense of belonging and connection. Now that we've explored the many benefits of mindfulness practices, let's discuss some practical ways to incorporate mindfulness into your daily life. One of the most accessible ways to practice mindfulness is through mindful breathing. Take a few moments each day to focus on your breath, paying attention to the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. This simple practice can help you cultivate a sense of calm and presence. Another way to practice mindfulness is through mindful eating. Instead of rushing through your meals, take the time to savor each bite and pay attention to the flavors, textures, and sensations of the food. Notice how your body feels as you eat and become aware of any hunger or fullness cues. Mindful eating can help you develop a healthier relationship with food and promote greater enjoyment and satisfaction in your meals. Mindful walking is another practice that can be easily integrated into your daily routine. As you walk, focus on the sensation of your feet touching the ground and the rhythm of your breath. Observe your surroundings and notice any sights, sounds, or smells. Walking mindfully can help you connect with the present moment and bring a sense of calm and clarity to your day. In addition to these everyday practices, formal meditation can also be a powerful tool for cultivating mindfulness. There are many different types of meditation, including seated meditation, body scan meditation, and loving-kindness meditation. Experiment with different styles to find what resonates with you and commit to a regular practice. Even a few minutes of meditation each day can have a profound impact on your well-being. It's important to remember that mindfulness is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. Be patient with yourself and approach your practice with curiosity and kindness. There is no right or wrong way to be mindful, and each moment offers an opportunity to deepen your awareness and connection to the present. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily life doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. You can practice mindfulness in everyday activities like brushing your teeth, washing dishes, or driving. The key is to bring your full attention to whatever you're doing, allowing yourself to be fully present in each moment. As you cultivate mindfulness in your daily life, you'll likely notice a greater sense of calm, clarity, and connection. In conclusion, mindfulness practices offer a wide range of benefits for our mental, emotional, and physical health. By cultivating awareness and presence, we can reduce stress, enhance emotional regulation, improve mental health, and foster greater well-being. Mindfulness also supports our physical health, enhances our relationships, and improves our ability to focus and concentrate. Whether through mindful breathing, eating, walking, or meditation, there are many ways to incorporate mindfulness into your daily life. By making mindfulness a regular part of your routine, you can experience the transformative power of this practice and unlock greater peace and fulfillment. Thank you for tuning into Banana Life. We hope this video has shed light on the incredible benefits of mindfulness practices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from understanding more about mindfulness and its transformative potential. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.